Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to get user and domain names from email without using string functions. Okay, in Power BI. So generally we go with string functions to get the username and domain name like left function, substring, char index, len. All these functions, string functions, are used to get domain name and username from the email address. Now our intention is to get the data without using string functions. So first I will show my table. So my data here in the text document. Okay, this is my text document. ID, first name, last name, and email. Okay, everything is a comma delimited. There are 10 rows are there in the table in the text document, in the source document. Okay, generally we consider before at symbol as username and after at symbol as domain name. So I will show how to use Power BI visualization tool table to get the data without using string functions. First I am taking table here. Okay, so here I am selecting first name, last name, email. Okay, increase the size, go to values and change the size as 30 and drag this table. This is the data. I want to get the following tasks. What is the task? Getting full name, getting full name, getting username, getting domain name, and getting domain name without extension. So I want to perform all these tasks from the data in Power BI without using string functions. Okay, it's transform data, and again click on transform data. So here one Power Query editor window is getting opened. Okay, this is the data. Now what is my first task? Getting full name. So we have first name is there, last name is there. So I want to combine both these names to get the full name. Generally we can use concat function to get the full name by adding first name and last name. So here I am selecting the two columns and here I am adding column. So here I am applying merge column. So immediately it asked the separator. And what is the separator here between first and last column? So my separator is space. Okay, and you can execute here. So here you can find full name, full underscore, full underscore name. Okay. This is my first task. Okay, next, what is next here? Getting username. So username in the sense here in the email, every email one @ symbol is there. So here before @ symbol we consider the username, after @ symbol we consider the domain name. So here I am selecting the email column and go to add columns and click on extract. So here you can see here text before delimiter. One option is the text before delimiter. So I specify the delimiter as @ symbol. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see here John.doe Jane Smith like this. Okay, that means this is username, user underscore name. So we are separated this username from the email address based on the at symbol. Okay, now I am taking the column one more time. So this time we want to get the domain name. So what is the domain name? After at symbol we consider the domain name. So add columns and extract, and here you can see after delimiter, text after delimiter, select that option and mention at symbol one more time. So here you can find your domain name. See, domain name is same for all these emails. Example, now I am changing the name as domain name. Okay, so my last one, what is my last task here? Getting domain name without extension. That means I don't want this .com. I want just example. So every domain name has here some extension. So I want to get the domain name without extension. I want to remove the .com. So now you can select your column name, go to add columns and extract, and here text between delimiters. One more option is there, text between delimiters. My first delimiter, starting delimiter is at symbol and ending delimiter as dot. Okay, that means it will extract the data in the email column between at symbol and dot. Now you can see there is no extension. Everything is a plain domain name without any extension. Domain name without extension. So this is how you can use the Power BI and select the options. So in this scenario, we haven't used any of the string functions. Without writing the string functions, we can get the data as per our logic. So generally, by using these string functions, we can get the output in traditional SQL. Now, in this scenario, in the Power BI, as the various options, very easy to operate the options. You can select the columns and extract and select relevant options. So text before delimiter, text after delimiter, text between delimiters. By using this, you can get the output. So here, full name means here I am selecting the column, selecting the both first name and last name columns, and just click on merge columns to get the full name. In SQL, we can use the concat function to get the full name. So this is how to get the data in Power BI without using any string functions. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.